the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw the cutest baby shark ever. First, we'll start by drawing the baby shark's eye and make sure it's nice and round. Now, let's give him a little nostril. He's so cute already, but wait, we need to add his adorable mouth. Next, let's draw his body and tail. Don't forget to make the tail fin extra fun. We'll finish up with his gills on the side, to make him look even more like a real shark. Look! Baby shark is watching us as we paint him. Let's start with some sparkling red for his body. Wow, doesn't he look amazing? Now, we'll use some blue for his eye and his lower body. Look at how it all comes together. This is so much fun, right? And there you go, our baby shark is ready for an adventure in the ocean. Thanks for drawing with us today. We can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, bye.